Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Data science application using More and DL techniques.
Part 4.
So the technical name of this image is called data science word cloud. Please keep in mind. Wonderful answer. So then solving problem with data science tools, data science applications, and what are the data science jobs are available right now. So data is a central to data science. Without data, there is no database applications. Data may be a numeric data, character data, audio data, video data, text data that are collected through observation. Okay, so now see, data may be a two types, categorical data, numerical data. So now, data may be a two types, categorical data, numerical data. Categorical data, examples like marital status, political party, eye color. So numerical data, discrete data, continuous data, like discrete examples like number of children, defects per hour. Continuous data, weight, voltage. Some see our age also continuously growing. That is the best example. Then data collection tools. There are various tools we are using. Through interviews, we are collecting the data. Through observation, we are collecting the data. Through surveys, we are collecting the data. Through usage data, through focus groups, we are collecting the data. These are the data collection tools. So data science is a combination of all other domains like scientific methods, mathematics, statistics, advanced computing, visualization, hacker mindset, domain expertise, data engineering, etc. So that's why data science encompasses preparing data for analysis, including cleansing the data, aggregating the data, and manipulating the data to perform advanced data analysis by using statistical AI and machine learning and deep learning techniques in order to generate interested analytics and enable business leaders to draw informed insights. See, there are 7 steps we are following in this data science. Collection and acquisition of the data. Step 2, storage. We are using huge volume of data servers, data center. Then we are eliminating noisy data, preparing data sets for their usage. That is called cleansing the data. Integration, we are integrating multiple data sets. Analysis with help of techniques and
Again muted, sir.
so with the help of various tools and techniques, we are analyzing the data. Then 6th step, representation and visualization with help of Tableau, Power BI, and ClickView. We are visualizing various graphs and charts. And finally, managers, presidents, CEOs, they are taking actions of by seeing our scorecard or dashboards. So that is called data science 7 steps. Then data science sources, where the data is coming from. Data is everywhere and it can help organizations, any industry in many different ways. Data has become too complex and too dynamic to be able to process the data, to store the data, to analyze the data, and to manage without traditional data tools. We are getting data from social network data, financial data, multimedia data, data from ERP systems, Internet of Things, mobile apps data. Not only this one, we are getting cameras data and mission sensors, data in marketing, data in health domain, so public data, etc. So what is the data science workflow? We are capturing the data and we are managing and cleansing the data in order to pre-process the data, Exploratory analysis means classifying the data, clustering the data. Final analysis by applying various tools and techniques. And finally, we are showing the reports through dashboards, through scorecards. Okay. And we are showing graphs like pie chart, bar chart, line chart, etc. That is called data science workflow. So first you need to understand business understanding, data importing, data cleansing and manipulation, statistical modeling and machine learning, and reporting and visualization. So these are the three important characteristics of data science. Business understanding. See, you need to understand the problem. You need to define the problem. Intuition, what you want to do. So needs to pick the right model. Curiosity. So you need to develop any good model. So data science has been there, but the progress being made in the first field is very fast. What will happen? What type of analytics it is going to generate? Then these are the subject-wise characteristics, data science characteristics and the big data characteristics like data volume. What is the size of the data we are handling? Maybe megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes. And data variety like audio files, video files, unstructured data, text files, and the data velocity. Maybe we are handling real-time data, near-time data, old data, historical data, periodic data, etc. These are the important characteristics of data science. See, now we started with the first subject out of 10 modules, Introduction to Data Science. So far I have given introduction part, and now we are entering into Introduction to Data Science. So it is the process of examining large amounts of data of a variety of types like big data to uncover hidden patterns, unknown correlations, and other useful information. See, the caption of big data or data science, if you are having more data, it leads to the more knowledge leads to the more money. Why we are studying, why we would like to learn data science? In order to increase our business by applying this AI, machine learning, deep learning techniques on our business. So that is our ultimate goal, to increase our business. If you are having more data, obviously you are getting more knowledge. So it leads to the more money. So more knowledge leads to better customer engagement, fraud prevention, and new products. So why should I learn data science? You are getting doubt. It is a fuel for the 21st century. It's a problem of demand and supply. You have a bright career, lucrative career. Data science is changing the world. Data science is future. So data science can add value to any business who can use their data well, especially from statistics and insights across workflows, and hiring new candidates to helping senior staff make better informed decisions. Data science is valuable to any company in any industry and any time, 24/7. So these are the reasons why we are using data science in order to generate interested analytics in the field of finance, e-commerce, advertising, search engines, healthcare domain, transport, forecasting, banking and securities, education, and commercial apps, media and entertainment, then manufacture, image and speech and text recognition. These are the various fields.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.